one meal a day. What kind of experience is that? Today I got myself a spicy burger. Let's try it and see how it tastes. Finally arrived. I've been waiting all day for this. I'm starving. Okay, thank you. Wow, that's a lot of food, but it's fine. I'm really hungry right now. 3 spicy chicken thighs and 3 spicy burgers. That's all I'm eating for the whole day. Doesn't seem like much, right? Not too much. I've also got a sugar-free Coke to go with it. This spicy burger looks big and heavy. Let's open it up. Inside, there's a thick layer of spicy chicken thigh. The chili aroma is strong. It hits you as soon as you open it. I've never had this exact burger before. I came all the way here just to try it. I've had chicken thighs before, but sometimes the skin turns out soft. This time it's perfectly crispy. The meat inside is tender, juicy, and full of flavor. It's really delicious. The spicy chicken thigh with the burger bun creates a nice balance. The spiciness builds slowly, and I'm getting used to it. Now it feels great. The whole piece has a mix of spicy, slightly sour, and crispy textures that make every bite interesting. It's a bit messy to eat, but that's part of the fun. It makes you feel warm and satisfied. I was way too hungry earlier. The chicken's coating looks like it has grains of rice or millet on top, kind of like those small buns you see in supermarkets. It gives off a nice fragrance, even better than regular breadcrumbs. Justin made this version. I've tried the Beijing roast duck burger before, but that one was hard to eat and not as good. The people running this stall might be from a minority ethnic group. Their clothes look unique and their beards are impressive. I wish I could grow a beard like that, but mine doesn't look good. The burger bun is firm, thick, and holds everything together well. I've had burgers from other brands before, and I could easily eat 6 of those. But this one is heavy and filling. The spicy chicken drumstick version is decent. The coating tastes like it has rice flour in it, which adds an interesting texture, but the inside feels a bit dry. Still, this burger is worth trying. It's firm, flavorful, and very satisfying. Justin once ordered 4 of these, and I can see why. The burger itself is delicious. The meat is seasoned well, and the skin has a great crunch. The spicy chicken drumstick might be average, but for the price, it's a solid deal. Sometimes when you eat something this good, you start comparing all your previous meals to it. The breadcrumbs are crispier and more flavorful than before. Thanks for watching Ni Hao Bites. See you in the next Taste of China.